What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander.
And Sean.
Hey guys, we're going to talk about Vibe today and the Super Bowl and how they're going to connect with each other through a commercial.
Absolutely, but first and foremost, fly Eagles fly. Can't go for the Patriots, not in this one.
I'm going to be honest, I don't really care either way. So
Let's go Eagles.
all I care about is Vibe is going to make us some money through this. No matter who wins, it doesn't matter who wins because Vibe's going to win either way.
Absolutely. So Vibe is up 25% over the last 24 hours, while everything else is pretty much in the red. And I think this is due to the fact that Monster Products has a commercial in the Super Bowl later this evening. They spent about $5 million on the commercial. That's how much it costs to get that spot in the Super Bowl. And basically, they're going to be doing their commercial. I think Iggy Azalea is going to be in it. The CEO of Vibe, the CEO of Monster Products is going to be in it. And I think they're going to be repping some Vibe merchandise as well. So maybe an announcement, maybe just some shameless promotion of Vibe partnering with the company and everything like that. But either way, getting Vibe out in front of so many people is going to be very important in, moving this forward, right? So if you guys don't know about Vibe, Xander made a pretty good in-depth video on it.
Yeah, so I recommend go check that out.
We'll leave that link in the description for sure.
Yeah, for sure. But discovering what Vibe Out is about, just a quick overview. It is it's a virtual reality, so you can use it for teaching, education purposes, for gaming, for a lot of different things. And they are definitely partnered with some big things. Let's scroll down to where. First off, their exchanges, they're on Binance, Ether Delta, and HitBTC, which are some of the top places to exchange coins. Obviously, Binance being the best one.
You missed it. Go back up.
Where was it?
Go back up.
How
above the exchanges.
There it is.
Go.
First off, Monster Technology, huge. Microsoft, huge. And PS4 is huge.
Huge. I'm telling you, it's just going to be huge.
It's just going to be huge, guys.
Amazon Partner Network, Oculus, pretty much everyone who's in the VR space, they are partnering with. So when cryptocurrency starts to be used in this space, it's definitely going to be a good crypto to hold on to. But with this new commercial, we'll see what happens. The possibilities are endless. Next time that Sony comes out with a new PlayStation, you could see Vibe in the commercial. Things after this can move forward greatly with this project.
For all we know, Microsoft making new computers could start coming with some Vibe headsets and start virtual reality for PCs and everything like that. So I think that it has a lot of room to grow. It is sitting currently at $144 million market cap, which isn't too high. It's not even in the top 100. It's at like 106 or 108 right now. I can't quite tell what that is. But that's a pretty low market cap, and you guys know I love to invest into low market caps because I think it has the most room to growth and most potential. With a 267 million Vibe coins out there, that's not too bad. I mean,
not at all. It's a good buy, but I would say buyer beware at this time, just because the Super Bowl is a couple hours away, and you see it's up 25%. So kind of be cautious and do your own research. We're not professional investment advisors, but I don't know if it's going to sustain this, being up 25%.
That's true. It could easily
drop after the Super Bowl. You never know.
Or it could shoot up from after that. I mean, so that is I think you're really just rolling the dice on that one if you do choose it. We're not currently invested in it, just to let y'all know. So we're just putting that video out there because we think it does have potential, and especially being in the Super Bowl and everything like that. So you're really rolling the dice on this one to see whether you would make major gains or major losses off of Vibe if you bought it right now.
Sure.
Hopefully you got it before the 25% spike. Actually, more than 25% because it's already down a little bit from where it was. It was sitting at just under $1. So wow, it was up even about 25% more. So
yeah,
hopefully you got it, down here back a couple days ago whenever it was at 40 cents and you more than doubled your money. But, I mean, we're going to keep this video pretty short. I think you got anything else to say?
Well, I got nothing to say, man.
Yeah, so, up to you guys. You decide. Leave a comment in the below talking about whether you think it's a good buying opportunity right now, or do you think that it's going... I don't rep anybody. Dallas Cowboys all the way. We got cheated this year, but we're going to get in there next year.
Fly, Eagles, fly. Let's go.
Leave a comment below. Which team do you think is going to win? Do you think Vibe is going to go up, or do you think it's going to go down? Like
Eagles
the Eagles
versus Patriots. Eagles versus Patriots. Let's go.
All right, guys. Mash that subscribe button, and as always, guys, take it easy and tell us how you're keeping up with crypto, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys.